In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit blocks in AutoCAD. If you work with repeated symbols, details, or components, blocks keep your drawings consistent and efficient. When it's time to adjust a block, there are two reliable ways to do it. Using the block editor, which is usually the best choice for most edits, and editing the block in place, which lets you see your changes in the context of the surrounding drawing. Let's start with the block editor, often called B-Edit. This approach opens a dedicated editing environment focused entirely on the block's geometry. To launch it, simply double-click the block you want to modify, or type B-Edit and select the block. You'll know you are in the right place when you see a specialized ribbon and a clean workspace tailored to block editing. Here, make your changes just as you would in the main drawing move lines. Adjust shapes, add or remove elements, while staying centered on the block itself. The advantage is clarity. This commits your changes and updates every instance of that block throughout the drawing, so you don't have to chase down duplicates. It's a quick, controlled way to ensure consistency everywhere the block is used. Now, if you prefer to see your edits while the rest of the drawing remains visible, use Edit Block in Place, also known as Refedit. Right-click the block and choose Edit Block in Place, or type Refedit. The block becomes editable where it sits, and you can immediately judge alignment, spacing, and relationships with nearby objects because everything else stays on screen. Make your geometry changes as needed, taking advantage of the live context to fine-tune fit and placement. When you are satisfied, use the Reclose command to save and exit. Your updates are written back to the block definition, and just like with the block editor, all instances refresh to reflect the changes. Choosing between the two methods comes down to your editing needs. If you want a clean, focused space to refine a block without external clutter, go with the block editor. If context matters like matching edges, verifying clearances, or aligning to adjacent elements, Edit Block in Place is the better fit. In both cases, your workflow stays simple. Open the edit mode, modify the geometry, and save to update every instance. That's it.